So in this video, we're going to be talking about variables and expressions. This is the first chapter in the first section of Algebra 1. So vocabulary, we'll talk about this real quick. An algebraic expression is an expression that has no equal sign. That's what makes it an expression. That includes numbers, operations, and variables. So a variable, because there's things within that we need to talk about. A variable is a letter that represents one or more numbers. So that could be, like we're used to, X or A or B. It's replacing numbers, and honestly, a variable could be, we chose letters in mathematics because then that just becomes a standard, because smiley faces start to look like different things, and it's hard to make sure that you're writing the right thing. But it's a substitution, so it could be that we were writing 2 smiley faces plus 3, and that's our expression. The smiley face just being that replacement for some number. A coefficient is the number attached to the variable, and from the expression with our smiley face, that's going to be the 2. And the constant is a number by itself, because it's never going to change. And so that's going to be our plus 3. So writing expressions, the key words, and there are some others that we can come up with, but addition, we obviously know add, and more than, more. Ooh, let's try that again. More than. Sum. Combine. Total. And, like 2 and 3. So those are some of the most recent or common ones that you will see. You can add to that list. Subtraction, we have subtract, less than, difference, left. So maybe the question asks, how many are left? Or how many more? So that could be, we have the more than, but the left for subtraction. Right now, that's all I can think of off the top of my head. Multiplication, we have product of times multiply by per. So like 2 per, that means we're multiplying twice, or triple, and you can continue on with those types. And then we have division, which would be a quotient. Divide by, sorry. And for some reason, that's all I can think of at the moment for division. Per kind of would use division too if we're working kind of equations, but right now we're working expressions. So, and then our examples. So the sum of 2 and a number x, that means that we're doing 2 plus x, or technically you can do x plus 2. The difference of a number n and 6, we're going to do n minus 6. This one is important, that order matters. So we're going to write that here. Order matters. And then 1/4 of a number x. So that's just 1/4 x, or x over 4, because you can, when you multiply numerators with each other. The quotient of a number k, and 2 is just k divided by 2, or k divided by 2, whichever way you want to write that. And on this one, order matters as well here. And so those are just some words, the keywords to look for when writing expressions. So remember, again, order matters when writing subtraction and division, and really matters when you have less than. So if we were to say 3 is less than x, then we need to write x minus 3. So the less than makes you switch their order, whereas the other ways, all the other wordings for divide or subtract, you do it in the order they're written. Less than, we have to flip the way we're subtracting it. Okay, so example 1, write the algebraic expression for the word phrase. So 3 more than twice a number x. So our keywords are more and twice. And so from here we're going to do more means plus. So 3 plus. And then twice was multiplication. So 2 times x, because twice means 2 times. And that's our answer, 3 plus 2x. So here's our next one. 9 less than the quotient of 6. So less than is our key. Quotient of 6 and a number x. So less than means we are subtracting 9. And remember, this is when we see less than, we flip the order in which we're writing. So we're going to have minus 9. Quotient means division. So the quotient of 6 and a number x. So we're going to do, I'm going to write it as 6 over x minus 9. The other way we could write this is 6 divided by x minus 9. And just because I am the way I am, I would most likely put that in parentheses, even though order of operations insists that we do it first. Okay, last one on this slide, the product of 4 and the sum of a number x and 7. So product is a key word, and sum. And so product means multiply. So 4, I'm going to use parentheses to indicate multiplication. Sum is addition, so x plus 7. And there's our final answer. And that was the activity we did in class. So until next time.